I'm Chef Steph, and this is Chef Steph Reacts, and we are going to be checking out some pastries today. The gelatin dessert that enchanted everyone. When I make it at home, there's nothing left.
All right, guys, I'm going to use 4 different flavors of gelatin for this recipe, and we're gonna make a very colorful. Now you wanna add hot water. After you are done stirring, just add each gelatin into a different bowl. Now put it in the refrigerator and wait for it to harden. Cooled, you're gonna cut it into small pieces. And use a spatula for this step just to remove the pieces underneath. Place in a greased baking pan. Stir carefully to mix the gelatins. Add 0.25 pounds of milk, 7.1 ounces of cream cheese, 1 box of condensed milk.
That was not cream cheese.
That
Cream cheese? Sour cream. That looked very loose for cream cheese, but
14.10 ounces, 5 pounds of coconut milk, 5 ounces of hydrated gelatin. Add this creamy mixture to your gelatin. Now place in the refrigerator. And after a few hours, our dessert is frozen and ready. Ugh.
okay. Here's the thing. This is not a new thing. This is a fairly kind of old school dessert, right? Like back in the day, like my mom's era, my grandmom's era, there was a lot of gelatin desserts. Gelatin was like Jell-O, and gelatin was this new sort of like, oh my gosh, what can't we do with it? And I mean, who doesn't love a colorful, fruity, easy dessert? I think it's great. Go to town, girl. I love the fact that she's, you know, utilizing something fun and easy that everybody can get their hands on at the supermarket and doing something really fun and cool with it. I dig. I'm gonna give that an 8 out of 10. I would definitely eat that. Yeah, I would eat that. Heck yeah. I like Jell-O though. You know, if you're the type that doesn't like Jell-O, probably not for you, but I dig it. I think that's a really fun thing. I love this. Like and subscribe for more pastry stuff. Pastry reactions, pastry videos, pastry all the time.